on. Now you want to turn on the remote. Next you want to go up and down. That's to pair it. And you want to do your gyro calibration. Now you're ready to go. So as I mentioned in the video previously, the unboxing, you just go like that and you'll see it spin. And to turn it off, just do the same thing. So let's see if this thing is really a outdoor flyer. One more thing I forgot to mention in the video that I did previously is that if you press down on this is the speed function. So if I go 1 or 2, you hear the 2 beeps. That's speed 2 and speed 1. So there's 2 speeds, speed 1 and speed 2. And this is obviously for 3D flips. We'll try and see if we can do one of those, get one in the shot. Alright, so let's take this thing up. Alright, already it's struggling with the wind. So let's do a quick 3D flip. Whoa, 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 whoa. And okay, so what I did there, I believe I pressed the headless mode for some reason. I'm not sure if I was supposed to actually press it once. Oh, forget about it. So as you can see, we have a bird down. One of the propellers just came off, guys. So I'm gonna have to go and replace it. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a replacement prop with me, so I'll have to go back home, change it, and then come back outside and continue this. That is a bummer. Alright, let's see how this takes off. Hot day, guys. Immediately the wind is just pushing it all over the place. Look at that. Whoa, 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 look at that. Hey, hey. Yeah. Not sure we're gonna achieve anything today with this. The wind is blowing pretty hard. And it's freaking hot out here. Like I said, I have to stand underneath the tree because the sun is just beaming. Let me see if the wind dies down a little bit. Try that again. Yeah, I think this is more of an indoor flyer than an outdoor flyer. You get closer. Look at that. Look at that. Struggles. Alright, we got a at least we got a flip out of it. Alright, so we got one flip on this outdoor test. Woohoo! I can't even get it up in the air properly, as you saw. The wind just swipes it around. And it seems like I have to be close to it for it to it looks like it performs better at eye level. I tried trimming it already before and I don't know. Anyway, look at that. Just doesn't, it's very hard to fly. Look, I can't get it. It just loses control. Yeah, I can't get a clean RC transmission feed. I don't know what they were thinking about when they said that it could reach 80 meters. Seems like I can't even get 5 meters out of this thing. So I don't know what they were talking about. They probably saw it in a dream or something. Anyway, let me try this again. I don't know if I can achieve anything with this outdoors, but like I said, I wanted to bring it outside and quickly test it out to see if it is capable. Let's see. Bring it towards me. Look at that. Doesn't even respond to the controls. I have to be very close to it in order to get any input out of it. Look, it just wants to go wherever the wind takes it. Look, hey, come on, look at that, look at that. Forcing it, forcing it, forcing it. There we go. Come on, come on. And yeah, I was pushing up to make it go forward, but it just doesn't want to do anything. So, I don't know. I'm gonna try this one more time, guys, and I'm gonna call it a wrap, because I don't think I can fly this thing outdoors. Maybe in a very calm day with no wind whatsoever, and you're probably boiling your butt off outside, because in order for it to be a very calm day, it has to also be sunny, right? So right now it's sunny, and I'm like, I can't even stand in the sun, not even for more than 5 seconds, because I feel like I'm starting to burn. And the wind is, yes, the wind is fairly picking up, so that's also you know, an issue. But I don't even know if with calm winds it would even be able to hold up. Like I said, I have to be at least this distance from the quad to get proper input out of it. Other than that, if I go further away, if I'm trying to control it from this distance, and it just doesn't respond to the transmitter. So like I said, I'm gonna try this one more time, and I'm gonna call it a wrap. I'm not saying that it's a, you know, a crappy quad. Obviously you can fly it indoors. It doesn't have optical flow lens, so you know, you're just and I'm not gonna even bother with the camera on it. 720p, as you know. Just check out the video that I did here, and you'll see a sample footage from it. Come on, come on. See if I could get another flip out of it. Wow. So immediately after doing a flip, it just loses altitude and it crashes. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I had my suspicions, but it definitely confirmed it. Hey, and come on, let's see if you can make it this way. Here, I'm pushing it, so you can see, and nothing. Nothing. All right, so this here is a toy grade quadcopter. Obviously it's made for kids, and like I said before, maybe a beginner who wants to try flying a quad for the first time, but only indoors. Yeah, basically it's just an indoor flyer. It looks good. It looks good. It's a good looking quad. And now I'm trying to understand why it actually came with a stand. And I get why it came with a stand. It's because it belongs on a stand. You just put it on your stand, put it on your shelf, and let it look pretty. And if you want to play with it for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and fly it around, get that satisfaction of like, oh wow, it flies, and then just put it back on the stand and let it sit, because that is basically what it serves for. Anyway, that was the outdoor flight test. It's not a review because I couldn't even get to review it properly, but that is my flight test with this thing outdoors. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you liked it, hit the like button. I know it was not that entertaining, but it is what it is, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoy watching the content of my channel, and make sure, if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notify bell on the side of it, which will notify you every time I upload another video to the channel. Alright, that's it for today, guys.